I think the reason why we stay is because the campus offers a lot in the way of differentiating, which a lot of campuses do, but differentiating to small groups, and also we have peers that are able to help other peers in multi-age classrooms. So that is what kind of makes us a little bit stand out different, is that we get to loop with our children for 3 years in the lower elementary and in the upper elementary classrooms. And then also the peers that have been there for 3 years get to do a lot of peer teaching, and so they support their younger peers that are new to the classroom and community.
I like the community and the familial aspect of this school and this campus, and how our community is surrounding our school embraces everything that we do, and they're always willing to lend a helping hand. Parents, former and current, are always up here going, hey, how can we help? What can we do? If one of us has a really fun idea, like with the chicken coop or with a garden or something else, they're always, how can we help? What can we do? How can we support you and your endeavors to further, the exploration through that scientific lens?
It is a timeless process. I experienced it as a parent first, and that convinced me that everyone should have access to this. That's how HASD is so supportive of people having choices and coming or going wherever they need or they choose. And this is a wonderful choice.